Hello. So for the first pose I'm going to go through, it's downward facing dog, one of the most recognizable yoga poses out there. And the Sanskrit for this one, for this pose is, I'm going to try my best to get it right, Adho, Mukha, Svanasana. Adho, Mukha, Svanasana. I'm hoping I'm saying it right. Let's give it a go. Starting off then on the hands and knees. So we want our knees hip width apart, directly under the hips, hands directly under the shoulders and fingers spread, just to create a real stable contact with the ground there. Next up, you'll curl your toes, curl the toes, and then push up. So you're pushing your tailbone right into the sky. You want a really long back, and your gaze should be looking at your ankles. Deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. There should be a small micro bend in the knees, so we're not locking out the legs. Making sure that we've got that long back, tailbone up to the sky, pushing down into the ground with your hands, those spread fingers. And back to tabletop.